Good morning, gladiators. This week, your assignment is to complete IXL V1. It is a review of exponents. It should be fairly easy, so your SMART goal is 100. And it is due Sunday, so please make sure you get it done. And it should help you understand the Algebra 2 assignment on logarithms a little bit more. So it I hope you guys find this assignment easy to follow. And also, please participate this week in Virtual HPIM Spirit Week by tagging at HPIM Official on Instagram, by tagging your picture on Instagram with HPIM Official, and you may be featured on their story. Today is TikTok Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Pajama Day Wednesday. Thursday will be Throwback Thursday, and Friday is Pet Day Friday. So participate, hope to see your pictures, have a wonderful day, and enjoy your week.